Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for November 13th, 2018. The James Charles palette launched about an hour ago, and it's not sold out yet. Did you get one? Will you? Now let's go ahead and shop some sales. Wet n Wild's Friends and Family sale is going on this week only, 30% off and free shipping with code FAM30. Physicians Formula is doing the Friends and Family thing too, also 30% off and free shipping with code FAM30. And BH Cosmetics continues their early Black Friday with savings up to 50% off on their site now. Nikkie Tutorials dropped a cryptic hint on her Twitter that may be leading to a nail polish line with a logo that would fit on a bottle. More deets as they appear. And at the nail polish site we do know, KL Polish, it is Lips and Tips time with two Ofra collab shades, Miami Fever and Havana Nights. They're $9.50 each, and the bundle with both and an Ofra lip, $18.95. That's it for now. We'll see you here same time tomorrow. Look for Makeup Minute extras on my Instagram, and don't forget our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, every Sunday morning on YouTube.